Home repairs can often feel like a huge financial burden. Whether it's a leaky faucet, a broken tile, or a malfunctioning appliance, the cost of hiring a professional can quickly add up. But here's the good news. Many home repairs can be done by yourself. We'll explore some simple and cost-effective DIY fixes for common household problems. So, let's dive in. 1. Fixing leaky faucets. A leaky faucet is not just irritating, but can also increase your water bills. Fixing it is simple and can save you money. Start by turning off the water supply to the faucet. Use a wrench to remove the handle and expose the valve. Check the washer or O-ring for any damage. If worn out, replace it with a new one. Afterward, reassemble the faucet and test it to ensure the leak is gone. This DIY fix will help you avoid plumber fees and prevent unnecessary water waste, making it both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. 2. Fixing a running toilet. A running toilet can waste a lot of water, but fixing it is simple. First, turn off the water supply and remove the tank lid. Check the flapper. If it's damaged, replace it. If the fill valve is faulty, use a wrench to remove it and install a new one. Turn the water back on and test for leaks. This easy DIY fix prevents water wastage and reduces your bills. Regular maintenance ensures your toilet functions properly, saving you from costly plumbing repairs while conserving water efficiently. 3. Fixing clogged drains. A clogged drain is a common problem, but you can fix it yourself without a plumber. Start by using a plunger with enough water to create a seal. If that doesn't work, pour half a cup of baking soda followed by a cup of vinegar into the drain. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then flush with hot water. If the clog persists, use a drain snake to remove deeper blockages. This simple DIY method is quick, affordable, and prevents costly plumbing services while keeping your drains clear and functional. 4. Fixing a hole in the wall. Small holes in the wall are common, but easy to fix. Start by cleaning the area around the hole. Use a putty knife to apply spackle or joint compound, smoothing it out evenly. Let it dry completely before sanding the surface for a seamless finish. If needed, paint over the patched area to match the wall. This quick and simple DIY repair takes less than an hour and requires only a few basic supplies. Fixing holes yourself saves time and money while keeping your walls looking flawless. 5. Sealing drafts around windows and doors. Drafty windows and doors can make your home uncomfortable and increase energy costs. An easy solution is weather stripping. Start by measuring the gaps where air is leaking. Cut the weather stripping to the right length and stick it along the edges of windows and doors. Press it firmly to create a tight seal. This simple DIY fix helps maintain indoor temperature, reduces heating and cooling expenses, and improves energy efficiency. With minimal effort and cost, you can make your home more comfortable while saving money on utility bills. 6. Unclogging a dishwasher drain. If your dishwasher isn't draining, it may have a clogged drain hose or filter. Turn off the power and water supply. Remove the bottom rack and spray arm if needed. Check for debris in the filter, clean it, and flush the drain hose with dish soap and water if necessary. 7. Patching up damaged flooring. Small flooring issues like scratches on wood or chipped tiles are easy to fix. Apply wood filler to scratches. Let it dry, sand, and refinish. For tiles, apply grout to the chipped area and smooth it out. These quick fixes restore your floor without costly replacements. 8. Replacing a broken light switch. If your light switch stops working, fix it easily. Turn off power at the breaker and use a voltage tester for safety. Unscrew and remove the old switch. Then connect the new one by attaching the wires securely. Turn the power back on and test the switch. This DIY repair is safe and cost-effective, and it can prevent you from hiring an electrician. DIY home repairs are a great way to save money while keeping your home in good shape. Many repairs that seem intimidating at first are actually quite simple and can be done with just a few basic tools. Not only will you save money on professional services, but you'll also gain valuable skills that will come in handy in the future. So next time something breaks or needs fixing, consider tackling the problem yourself. Your wallet will thank you.